That's crazy. You guys see that? Shit, beautiful. It's crazy. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm gonna try to go to the Thunder, see if I can hit. You know, that'd be crazy. Fucking have power, superpowers and shit. Fuck yes, man. 2022, I'm gonna be I'm gonna have superpowers. Actually, 2021. 2021. Boom. Sheesh. Walking towards it and watching it live is more satisfying. Shit, like if you were here, you'll be like, damn, you know, that's dope. I hope nobody's dying over there and shit, you know? That was a good one. So it does not, this time, it does not look like this. It looks, here, let me put how it looks in real life right now in my eyes. Boom. Oh, that was fucking beautiful. So it's kind of like this. It's not so bright, but it's bright. It's like this. This is the right temperature, I think. Oh man. Alright, alright. Oh, damn, you saw that? Woo! That was dope. I saw that shit too. I was about to go like this. I was about to go like this, talking front. I was about to talk in front of the camera when that happens. That was crazy. Oh shit. I was gonna say something, but that happened. Fuck. Oh yeah. To whoever is out here still out here. Oh damn. Why did I have to put the fucking phone down? Fuck. Thank you for watching the movie out here, all right? Thank you for watching the movie. 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 We're out here witnessing some couple earthquakes out here, you know? You might get a chance to see some earthquakes. I don't know, depends. Earthquakes. Any earthquakes tonight? I don't know. Let's find out. How many can we count today? How many earthquakes can we count today? So far, we have seen, in total, I have seen like almost 10, okay? You have seen on camera a couple, like at least 5 or something, you know? It's crazy, right? What's happening? Who's bringing these thunder over here, you know? Because if I hold my hand, if I get Thor's fucking hammer, then shit. If I get Thor's hammer, then I got the power, baby. Damn. Let's see. Where you at? Nothing. Oh shit. What the fuck? Yo, I've been walking for almost 8 minutes, literally just because I have nowhere to go and nothing to do, and I just saw earthquakes, and I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna watch earthquakes myself, might as well just record and get some extra footage. So now that I'm recording some extra footage, I'm actually being part of this footage. So now this footage is not just extra footage, it's my footage. So it's making me more multiple money than it's supposed to, because I could, oh shit, you saw that? Fucking crazy. In person, that should look in person, that look like a bouquet of like roses and shit, you know? It looked beautiful, like red and pinkish. Red. Nice. Where are these fucking lightning bolts coming from? Lightning thunders and shit. Where? How? What's up? These atoms are like multiplying and shit. They're multiplying. Ooh, damn, that's right. That shit look crazy. Damn, that shit look deep. Like, as in, like, was it like, that's wild. That was right there on top in the middle. Fuck. I saw it with my 2 eyes. My left eye saw it, and then my right eye saw the screen. You know, it was crazy. But then my right eye crossed over to the left eye, right eye, and saw it too. So it's like, fuck, I saw quadruple, because the left went right too. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Okay. Woo. I can't wait to see this footage. It's gonna be fucking crazy, man. These thunderbolts, fuck. I want to zoom in, but it's gonna look choppy. Alright, I'm gonna stay here for a bit. Let's see if we capture some thunders. Alright. Oh, fucking lights on the way, man. Right here. Woo! Damn, that shit look fucking crazy. Damn, oh my, what was that? That shit look, damn, that was, okay, that to me looked like Jupiter, man. Like, that shit was round. I saw a ring, and that shit was right there. That shit was right there. Right there. It's crazy. It's right there. We need one that's fucking powerful, like, powerful. I want us to capture a powerful, like a crazy ass lightning bolt, you know? Fuck, you know? Shit. Throw me a lightning bolt.